What I wish I knew about reading with adults. It can be a wild ride. Meet our hilarious duo, Max the monkey and Polly the parrot. These two are here to make reading fun and engaging. Picture this: Max swings into action, grabbing books with his tail. Polly, with her rainbow feathers, squawks out the letters. They're the ultimate reading team. Max loves bananas, but loves books even more. And Polly, she's got a knack for making phonics sound like a party. Imagine yourself laughing along as Max and Polly turn A is for apple into A is for amazing adventure. With every page, Max's silly antics and Polly's catchy tunes will have you hooked on reading. Who knew learning could be this much fun? So grab a book and join Max and Polly on a reading safari. Ready, set, read. Don't forget to subscribe for more wild reading adventures. Happy reading, everyone.